Okay, guys, welcome to day 3 of the 7 days challenge design. So, I'll be showing you how to turn this thing or this text that you're seeing here to text effects using AI. So, I said it earlier in one of my video, and a guy actually commented that I should show him how to do it, and I believe that everybody also needs to see how it is being done. So, if you've not gotten the beginner to designer course, then there's something you're not getting right in this new year, because in that course you'll be able to learn how to enhance your design, how to get any material for any design, how to choose color as a graphic designer. A lot of things is actually there. It's like a 2-in-1 course, so for beginner and also for advanced designer, just for 5k. The course is also available on seller for my subscribers outside Nigeria. So let's just save this on PMG. PMG simply means transparent background, like no background at all. So now before you start, ensure you've downloaded your text effects, the picture or whatever thing that you want. So I'll just head over to AI Gemini. Then I will tap on create image.
Okay, so open your Chrome browser, press align to load, type Gemini AI. Okay, let's just allow network to do its thing. Just wait for network. Let's just wait patiently for network. Okay, now type your Gemini AI. So this is the surface that you're going to see. So there are features that will pop up. Just allow those features to pop up first. Allow those features to pop up before you start anything. I'm having network issues. Okay, so let's wait for that features. Without that features, we cannot do anything. Okay, then tap on create image. Then go and bring your AI, your text effects, the picture. Ensure you've downloaded the text effects that you wish to turn your image into, and also ensure you've saved your project on PNG format. So these are the two things that you need to get done. So now this is me now going to look for the text effects that I need to convert things. Okay, so that's the text effect right there. So now import it, allow to load. Now go and import the picture or the text that you want to convert that you had saved on PNG. Yes. Now enter your prompts. Now look at the prompts I used. Look at the prompts that I actually used. I said change I say change the second image to the text effects in the first image. That's the prompt that I used and I sent. Now let's wait for the outcome. It's actually loading. Let's just wait. Let's give it time. Let's just give it time. Okay, so here's our results. So you could see the evidence of our results. Now let's tap on our download, and now let's head over to our background eraser to remove the background, because now it's actually with a background which we can't use it for anything. So now let's go to our background eraser. This is photo room. If you don't have it as a graphic designer, then you need to have it. Just go get it as a graphic designer. I'm using the free version. There is the paid version and there is the free version. I'm using the free version because of the background remover. It's very good at removing background from image. Excellent work. Zero mistake. So let's just give it time to load. Okay, it has loaded. Now let's tap on transparent. The app is suggesting background for you, but you don't need any background, so just tap on your transparent that you're seeing right there. Tap on your transparent, then save, export it. Automatically it has saved. Now let's import this text effect to Pixellab so that you see what you've done. Let's change the background to black so that you see the beauty of the text effects. Now let's import our Odogo. Now you could see the beauty of our text effects. So if you've not gotten that course, then you're missing